Today we'll see the nomenclature of carboxylic acid. So what are carboxylic acid? The compound which are represented by R C double bond OH and they contain dash C double bond OOH or dash COOH as a functional group are called as carboxylic acids. So now we are going to see the nomenclature. So first of all, we will see the common names of carboxylic acid. So now for common name system, you have to remember the name of acid came from its source. For example, our first acid is a formic acid. First member of the carboxylic acid in common name, it is called as formic acid. Formica means ant. That acid obtained from the ant, that's why it is called as formic acid. In the same way, how many carbon atoms we are having here? 2. So in common name, the carboxylic acid containing 2 carbon atom is called as acetic acid. So that acetum word came from vinegar, and vinegar containing acid carboxylic acid is called as acetic acid. So total here 4 carbon atoms are there. So for 4 carbon atom, the common name of the acid will become butyric acid. So this butyr word came from a butter. So that is the source of that acid. So now again we are having total 4 carbon atom here, but here at second position we are having methyl group. So we will call it as a iso. Iso, total 4 carbon atom, that's why it is isobutyric acid. And this carbon atom were in the straight chain, that's why we will call it as a N-butyric acid. In the same way, total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon atoms are there. So we will call it as a valeric acid. It will call as a valeric acid. So it is straight chain, that's why we will write its name as a N-valeric acid. In the same way, there are total 5 carbon atoms in the molecule, but at second position there is a methyl group. So if methyl group appears at the second position of the longest chain, then we always call it as a iso, no doubt. Total 5 carbon atoms are there, that's why the name will become isovaleric acid. Similarly, here total 6 carbon atoms are there. So 6 carbon atom acid in common name is called as caproic acid. So the name of this acid is a caproic acid. Now we'll focus on the IUPAC name of the compound. So for IUPAC name, you have to remember that you are going to replace E of alkane by oic acid. So what is the first rule for the IUPAC name? You are going to count the number of carbon atom in the longest chain. Then according to the number of carbon atom present in the longest chain, you will identify the parent alkane. So total only 1 carbon atom is there in the molecule. So the parent alkane will become methane. So you are going to replace E of alkane by oic acid. So the name will become methanoic acid. In the same way, here how many carbon atoms are there? 2. 2 carbon वाला alkane कौन सा होता है? Ethane. So replace E by oic acid, then the name will become ethanoic acid. In the same way, total how many carbon atoms are there in the longest chain? 4. 4 carbon वाला alkane कौन सा होता है? Butane. Replace E by oic acid, so the name will become butanoic acid. In the same way, here this is the longest chain and we are going to number in a such a way that carbonyl carbon of the carboxylic group will appear at the first position. So at second position we are having one substituent which is the methyl. So the name will become 2-methyl. Longest chain contain total 3 carbon atom. So the parent alkane will be propane. Replace E by oic acid. So the name will become 2-methyl propanoic acid. Here total how many carbon atoms are there in the longest chain? 5. So 5 carbon wala acid is a pentane. Replace E by oic acid. So the name will become pentanoic acid. In the same way, here total 4 carbon atoms are there in the longest chain. At third position, the methyl is as a substituent, so the name will become 3-methyl. Longest chain contains 4 carbon atoms, so parent alkane will be butane. Replace E by oic acid, so the name will become 3-methyl butanoic acid. In the same way, total how many 6 carbon atoms are there in the longest chain? So parent alkane will be the hexane. You are going to replace E by oic acid, so the name will become hexanoic acid. So that's all about the nomenclature of monocarboxylic acid. Means the carboxylic acid which contain only one carboxylic group in their structure. We'll see the nomenclature of dicarboxylic acid. What are dicarboxylic acid? The compound which contain two carboxylic group in their structure are called as dicarboxylic acid. So first member in which two carboxylic group are joined together is called as oxalic acid. What is the name? When two carboxylic group joins together are called as oxalic acid. अगर दो कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप के बीच में एक CH2 मतलब मिथिलिन ग्रुप आ रहा है तो उस केस में उसे बोलेंगे मैलोनिक एसिड. व्हाट इज द नेम? मैलोनिक एसिड. अगर दो CH2 आ रहे हैं तो उसे बोलेंगे सक्सिनिक एसिड. इट इज कॉल्ड एज सक्सिनिक एसिड. If you are having 3 CH2 group in between two carboxylic group, then in that case it is called as glutaric acid. What is the name? Glutaric acid. If you are having total 4 CH2 or methylene group in between two carboxylic group, in that case it is called as adipic acid. What is the name? Adipic acid. So now we'll see the IUPAC name of the carboxylic acids, dicarboxylic acid. Now you have to remember, when two similar functional group are there in the molecule, in that case you are not going to replace E of alkane. The E of alkane will retain in the name as it is. So how many carbon atoms are there? Total 2. 2 carbon वाला alkane कौन सा होता है हमारे पास? It is ethane. So we'll write here ethane. I told you we are not going to replace E. Since two carboxylic group are there, so we will write as a dioic acid. Ethane dioic acid. Similarly, total 3 carbon atoms are there. 2 similar functional group are there, so don't replace E of alkane. Write E as it is. 2 carboxylic group are there, that's why it is propane dioic acid. Total 4 carbon atoms are there. 4 carbon atom means parent alkane is a butane. Again 2 similar carboxylic group are there in the structure, that's why butane dioic acid. Total how many carbon atoms are there? 5. 5 means parent alkane is a pentane. Don't replace E. Write E as it is and at the end write the word dioic acid. Similarly, total how many carbon atoms are here? 6. 6 carbon means what? It is hexane. Don't replace E of alkane. Keep it as it is. So the name will become hexane dioic acid. So that's all about the nomenclature of dicarboxylic acid. So thank you so much.